Good day, students. Welcome to the standard 6th class, where we are starting with the next chapter, Elements of a Map. Children, you have already familiar with different kinds of maps. Okay? What are those different kinds of maps which we have learned in the first chapter are physical map, political map, thematic map, and topographic map. Correct? This you have learned. And their significance. Significance means their importance. You have learned what is the importance of the map in the first chapter. But in this chapter, we are going to learn about the elements of the map. Now, let me tell you, children, what are the elements of the map. There are 5 basic elements of a map. They are title, north line, scale, legend, or we call it key, and the grid system. Each one I will be explaining you. Please pay attention. Map title. What does the map title tell? Let us start with the first one. It informs us about the topic that what the map shows. Let me tell you, children, in every map, whichever map the teacher brings in the class, every map has a title. Without title, no map is there. I mean to say, I will show you, for example, just have a look. For example, if I am bringing a political map of India, so India, it will be written India Political, which will show the political divisions of India. Okay, a map title is usually written very clearly at the top of the map. For example, at the top of the map on this, what it is written? South America Political. So, it is the political map of South America. Every map has a title clearly written at the top of the map. One more example. For example, I am telling the world map, political. So, what is this title showing? That it is a world map and it is a political map. Below is a map and above the title is clearly written on the map. I am sure you all have understood this. Okay. Let us go to the next one, the next element of the map. That is map direction. Now, how the direction helps? It to find the direction with respect to north. Whichever map you take, okay, whichever map you take, you will see every map has a direction. Just have a look. The arrow is pointing towards the north. I will show you one more example that how every map has a direction and the arrow is pointing to the north at the top of the map. But if no such symbol is shown, then the top portion of a map is taken as a north and the bottom is taken as a south. Down is taken as a south. Okay? And what the east and the west, that means we will be the right side will be the east and left side will be the west. Okay, so every map has a direction at the top. Let us see what does it show. We have direction north, okay, and the bottom is south. Towards the right we have east and towards the west towards the left we have west. This north, east, south and west, they four are called cardinal direction. Okay, they four are called the cardinal directions. Remember, always the arrow is pointing towards the north and the opposite direction is the south. Towards the west, towards the left we have the west and towards the right we have the east. Is it clear? Let's see what next we are going to learn. The next part comes the measuring directions. Students, Now I explained about the 4 cardinal directions, that is north, south, east and west. Okay, the 4 cardinal directions can be divided into 4 intermediate directions. Now how this happens, I will explain to you. Just look at this diagram. For example, I say this is north and this is east. Okay, these are divided. Okay, thus places lying halfway. Now if suppose north and east is taken the center, so this will become northeast. This will become northeast, north and east. This becomes northeast. For example, I want to divide north and northeast. So this will be NE, north, northeast. Okay, and suppose if I say northeast and east, so between the northeast and east it will be ENE, that is east northeast. So we call it subdirections, and then these subdivisions are called intermediate direction. I'll show you one more example. Just if I say this is east and this is south, so between the east and the south, we have the southeast. Correct? But now if I say between the east and the southeast, we have the east southeast. In this way, the intermediate directions and the 8 subdivisions are explained to you. Children, that cardinal diagram as well as this diagram you will be drawing in your notebook. Let's come to the next part, measuring direction. Now what is this measuring direction? The direction on a map is measured with the help of north line. I showed you all that everywhere the map is pointed towards the north. The symbol N marked at the top of the map. I have shown the example at 2 places that how the symbol is marked at the top of the map. Now let us see what we are learning in this measuring direction with the help of north line. Children, just have a look at the map. You will see the direction on the map is measured with the help of north line. This is your direction of the map, which is pointing the arrow towards the north. It is marked at the top of the map. Just have a look. Okay. Look at the 2 places marked X and Y. The one place is marked here X and the other place is marked here Y in the diagram. Now we have to find the direction of the X from the Y. So what we have to do, we have to join 2 points. So Y is a point and this Y I'm joining to X. Okay, so I've drawn a straight line at Y point and the X point. I have joined the line. Okay, after joining the line at this Y point, I'm drawing horizontal line and I'm drawing vertical line at the Y point. After joining this, now what I will say where this X is actually located. Where it is located? See, this becomes north, so this becomes south. Now this is south and this is east. So between the south and east, Y point is located. Are you getting it? So to indicate the cardinal direction, we can now see that X lies to the southeast of the Y, because this is south and this is east. So this is the cardinal direction which is showing the southeast. I'm sure till here you all have understood. Thank you.